Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. These three shades that I'll be swatching for today is a part of BOBBIE and Chic Centra's beautiful holiday gift. Let's first swatch Jet Set Violet Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Jet Set Violet Ultra Shine is a pretty, sparkling, deep violet shade. Second is Sandstorm Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Sandstorm Ultra Shine is your favorite neutral shade, but make it shimmery and sparkly. And lastly we have is Real Stunner Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Real Stunner Ultra Shine has a semi-blue jelly base with holographic glitters, and it has a bit of a metallic-y finish. And that's all of my swatches for today. If you guys think that I applied a top coat for these swatches, well, I didn't. It's just so shiny, and that's why it's called Ultra Shine by BOBBIE. If you want to shop for these shades and more, you can check out Chic Centra and BOBBIE Cosmetics on their official Laz Mall. And don't forget to check out their social media pages. All of the links will be available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!